No idea what we're doing. No sense of a script whatsoever, but here we are. So, got all our bits and bobs chopped up, got them here in the wheelbarrow, got all our parts laid out, get ready to start screwing stuff together, and yeah, see how it goes. Finally been out here all day messing with this stuff. Got this guy up here upgraded. Got some red on the top rail there, and just updated the support system. And then this guy is completely new, but not quite complete. It also needs some color in its life, and it's gonna get some hoops. But for now, it's golden hour. So I'm gonna go rip some packs I've been waiting on all day.